My name is Ella Mironova, and I'm the sales manager at ADATA. It's my pleasure to introduce you to some of the upcoming component products from XPG. As we have already discussed, ADATA has new DDR5 DRAM on the way. We will also be launching XPG versions that will deliver speeds of up to 12,600 megatransfers per second for smoother gameplay. We also offer a full lineup of Gen 4 SSDs, which can reach speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes per second for faster game loading. Among them is our GameX S70, which is the world's most awarded Gen 4 SSD. To date, it has been awarded the 2021 Red Dot Design Award, Computex D&I Award, and Golden Pin Design Award. I would also like to introduce the latest and the greatest addition to XPG PSU family. Say hello to the CyberCore Platinum Power Supply Unit, the last PSU you will ever need for the next 10 years anyway. This PSU can deliver up to 1,300 watts of stable, continuous power. But of course, we have two lower wattage models for users whose needs aren't that extreme. You can also get CyberCore Platinum in 850 and 1,000 watt models. CyberCore Platinum is 80+ Platinum certified, as the name implies. That's an average minimum efficiency of 92%. As Captain Planet would say, the power is yours! At XPG, efficiency comes second to quality. So with an efficiency rating that high, you can bet the quality is out of this world. For starters, this unit is Intel ATX 12-volt version 2.52 compliant. Even the thermal features deliver the highest standard in component quality and performance. We use our own XPG Vento Pro 120mm fan. The ultra-quiet Nidec double ball bearing design delivers great cooling without too much noise pollution. The CyberCore Platinum is, of course, a full modular PSU. This is also a very safe product. We didn't skip out on any of the protections, and we stand by our product. Every model comes with a 10-year factory warranty. Maybe Half-Life 3 will finally be out before your warranty ends. For more information about the XPG CyberCore Platinum PSU, please visit xpg.com.